This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now, power up the headset and make sure controllers are charged. This prevents interruptions. Once done, back up any cloud saves and jot down your Wi-Fi name and password because you will need them later. Now choose a route. Use the headset settings menu for a guided factory reset, or prepare for a hardware reset by holding power and volume buttons. I'll show both paths and explain why each step matters so you don't lose access or data unintentionally. You now execute the reset. For the menu method, open Settings, go to System, pick Reset, then Factory Reset and confirm. This is the safest, most straightforward way. If the headset won't load its UI, power it off, then hold Power plus Volume down to enter boot options. Navigate to Factory Reset and select it. Make sure to remove the headset from the companion app or account after the reset if the system prompts. This prevents activation or pairing conflicts later on. You finish by letting the headset fully reboot. Initial setup can take 10 to 20 minutes, so be patient. After boot, reinstall system updates, sign into your account and restore cloud backups or reinstall apps as needed. This brings everything back to working order. If something goes wrong, here's one key tip. Ensure the headset battery is above 50% and retry the hardware reset, or use the companion app or PC utility to remove the device from your account and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.